What is up, everyone? The MacTac here, and welcome to a brand new unboxing video. And today, this is the surprise unboxing that I have been teasing you guys since last Thursday. And I made the little bit of the mistake of a wrong date because that product wouldn't arrive till today, Saturday. So, I am super excited to be unboxing this. A lot of you may not find it as surprising, but I'm calling it a surprise because I have been waiting to get this product ever since a lot of the news has been coming out about the recent hardware no longer getting any more updates, to where I had to pretty much upgrade to the newest recent system. And without further ado, I am here to introduce to you, for the first time ever, and many years after its launch, the Oculus, aka Meta Quest 3. After hearing about how the Oculus Quest 1 has been pretty much becoming obsolete thanks to Meta, at that point I knew I had to upgrade to the newest. Now, I know what you're going to say. Why didn't you upgrade to the Quest 2? I would. But the thing is, I would have to upgrade to the Quest 3 anyway, because when they announce a Quest 4 or a new Quest headset, the Quest 2 will suffer the same fate that the Oculus Quest 1 is. So I figured it's about time to just stick with the newest hardware that's recently getting some release updates and games and stuff. But I've been super excited to upgrade to this, and for the past few months I've been making and saving to get this right here. This is my second Quest headset, and I am so ready to unbox this. So without further ado, let's begin with the unboxing. Let's do this! Alright guys, I got the Quest 3 unboxed out of its packaging, and as you can see here, right here, this is the very headset itself. It's definitely a lot more different than any of the other Quest headsets that anyone has ever seen. Now, this circle here is obviously the button to turn it on, and that's like the charging station. This little wheel thing can also help you with like adjusting the lens and stuff. This bottom button here is obviously going to be the volume. Then in the front here is obviously the cameras for the VR, and some of the cameras obviously are also for like the AR augmented reality features that this Oculus headset includes. Now, as you can see, the Meta logo is right there. Now, turning it around, removing that, you'll see the inside of where you can actually see the game by itself. Now, there are little buttons in there that is kind of hard to see. You might be able to see it in the light right now, but you can see like these little stick buttons on the side by these eyes that can actually help out with adjusting the very balance of what your eyes are pretty much located in. But yeah, other than that, they're both sides include that as well. And that's what you will see by playing the games from the inside of the headset, what you will see in the game by itself. Obviously, the strap is the one thing I've heard pretty much that people didn't really like about the Quest 2 and 3 by itself, that the straps are very loose and are kind of hard to keep the headset from falling off your head pretty much. So yeah, pretty much that's the full headset. And there You'll include the cord of the charger for the headset itself. And this is the outlet where you, of course, will put the cord in. I find it very, for a cord, this is very strange to me, knowing that all of the charger outlets has been always pretty much like the rectangular or square and stuff, but I think this is my first time seeing like circular type outlets. But yeah, I think it's cool nonetheless. And right here you have the controllers by themselves. That controller was on, and I didn't even turn it on. That is strange. But it's a lot more different than the controllers that you would come to expect to see from the Quest 2 and 1. Because the controllers for the Quest 1 and 2, they're like this, but there's like a big ring on the very top that will kinda go over your hands pretty much. I'll send you a picture. I'll show you a picture of the Quest 1 controller to give you like a little hint on what the controllers for both the Quest 1 and 2 are like. But yeah, that's what the Quest 3 headset controllers are like. They're a lot more different than the controllers of the Quests 2 and 1, the Quests 1 and 2. And obviously this is the right hand controller here. But yeah. The only thing different is the Oculus logo is not there anymore. It is the Meta logo because, again, Meta is the owner of Oculus now. So the Oculus Quest, Oculus Rift headsets are no longer called the Oculus. They're called the Meta headsets, since it is owned by Facebook themselves, Meta. But other than that, before this video ends here, I'll show you guys like official clips of me playing in-camera footage of me having the headset on, playing the games, trying out the augmented reality games, and also trying out some Quest 3 games I have, like Asgard's Wrath 2 and Ghostbusters Rise of the Ghost Lord. And you'll also see gameplay footage of the games that I play as well to end off this unboxing for the headset that I've been longing to buy for the past few months. So thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing for the Meta Quest 3 headset. And I will see you guys this Monday on my newest Transformers Studio Series unboxing, which you'll wait and see for yourself who it is when that video gets uploaded this Monday. The MacTac, signing out. Have a good one, and I hope you enjoy the next few footage you see in this unboxing video.
There it is!
What?
Yuck. I've seen these before. Nest
in the world
monster.
is that?
Its eyes are the weak point, but it'll take something to make them open.
Oh.
That's not working. It's closing its eyes when you shoot it.
Wasn't trying to aim at that. Come on now.
Great work! Now trap it. That got Nesty's attention. Can you get its eye?
I can try. Alright, time to deflect these fireballs. There we go. That's actually cool. Huh?
I had a jump button.
The beast has been vanquished. Nope, never mind. I spoke too soon. Was that supposed to happen?
I guess it's supposed to happen.
Oh, that. No!
Huh? Oh, this is cool. Cool. Oh, I got 2! Ow! That one got out. Oh!
You really should take a look at that.
I'm looking at it. Oh, I'm actually holding a Stay Puft marshmallow bag.
Ah! That explains... Wait, where'd it go? Ah! I've never seen these guys float around like this before. Be careful. They may look cute, but they have a nasty temper. Oh, you've upset it now.
Oh, don't worry.
I told you they were mean.
No!
This one time... Hey, where's it going now?
It bit Paul Rudd, now it bites me. Oh, what the heck?
Whoa! Okay, okay, okay. A giant marshmallow just broke a hole in your ceiling.
Yeah.
You've got to stop that thing before it makes this worse.
Now I don't have my things.
Wait,
with me.
what about the ecto shot I sent you?
Ecto shot?
Reach over your shoulder to grab it. That's it. Now grab a mini puffed and load it into the ecto shot. Now pull back the lever. Huh, it bounced right off. Maybe try hitting him in the eye. Ouch! That did the trick. He looks stunned. But what now?
Oh! I got an Infinity Stone. Now this puts a smile on my face. Oh! Oh! Oh, wow. Oh, am I Iron Man now?